Hi YouTube, it's Luhanece, and in this video I want to do a tour of my room here in my college. And I've been doing this video for like a really long time and like pushing it back, but then I was like, you know what, I might as well just, record it, upload it, and see what happens. So here's the video. I've been living in this dorm for like 3 months, so like 4 months. So sorry if it's like a little push back, like everybody did theirs in August and mine is in November, but it's finally here, so hopefully y'all enjoy. So when you first walk in, you'll have the desk, a view of the closet, and the bathroom. The first thing is the desk, and here I just have my lamp, my laptop here so I can do my work, my homework. This is where I usually have my homework. And then I have my microwave right here. It was over here, but then I decided to move it over here. So I have my vinegar bed, my cups, and my planner and my headphones over there. And so down here I have, miscellaneous stuff like coupons, of course, medicine, paper, brushes, extra stuff that's not really important. And then down here I have my snacks and more snacks down here, and except for I can just pop in the microwave or in the oven or anything. Here's my TV. I have it on, and this is like my mini dresser. And I was filming a video earlier, which might be up before I did that. So here I have my fan, which points directly at my bed so that at nighttime I'm cool. And then over here I have my tripod. It's usually wrapped up, not wrapped up, but closed up and put over there, where I have my broom, a bag, my mop and all that. But I decided to film a video today when I got out of class, so that's why that's there. And then I have this beautiful view when I wake up in the morning. Okay, so this is my bed, which is my favorite part of my room, and I have this beautiful tapestry looking thing as a background for my videos, which I haven't even got to use yet because I don't film over there as much. But yeah, and I got this cute little set here, well, blanket, I'm sorry, that I used as cover from Walmart. And these are my pillows. I have my little stuffed bear that my mom got me for Valentine's Day. His name is Pedro. And then I have this cute little blue elephant, which is my favorite animal. And then I have my sleep all day pillow that I got from Big Lots. Well, the cover is from Big Lots. The pillow is just random that I got. And then I have like a regular one, which is supposed to have a black thing on it, but. And then this beautiful furry pillow that I got from Walmart, and so was this body pillow, or rest pillow, back rest pillow. And also with the bags, they're raised, so I can put anything under here. And under here I have all my coffee, juice, water, a cooler, more juice, suitcases, my laundry, and my laundry stuff over there. And here I have my bag, and right here we have a closet. And I can fit all my paper towels, toilet paper, makeup, a steamer, all my towels, and my clothes. They can all fit in here, and my shoes, I have them, they can all fit. So it's a really good, spacious room. There's a rug here. It's just for decoration. I got it from Five Below, of course, for $5, and it was amazing. It is soft. It is kind of hard to wash sometimes because of the bottom. It has like this, I don't even know what it's called. It's like a matte type thing, and it's really kind of hard to wash, but in general it's really cute and it's soft, and I like walking on it with my socks. The next room is the bathroom, which we have here. And because I've been here recently, the lights would usually turn on, but since I've been here recently, it's not going to turn on. Here's me. And right here we have a medicine cabinet, and I have all my stuff that I need in here. And then I got this cute little Paris air freshener. It smells so good. It's a little like nightlight. It's really pretty. And then I have my usual, and then under here I have all my cleaning supplies, and it's very spacious. Like I can fit like more stuff in here, have more room, and then You know, I could always just, I have a lot of room. Like I have all the cleaning supplies, my gloves, some bags for trash, and then this bag here. It's really nice. Okay, so leaving, just turn on the light. You walk out, you have an overview of the room. And then over here, I just like to put my keys there and my umbrella here just in case it's raining outside and I have to like really do the dash to go outside. So I just have the umbrella right there to grab it and then go.